Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Designing a study room is about creating a space that fosters focus, productivity, and intellectual growth. The ideal study room design strikes a balance between functionality and aesthetics. Ample natural light is essential as it not only reduces eye strain but also invigorates the mind. Comfortable and ergonomic furniture like a well-furnished chair and a spacious desk are pivotal for long study sessions. Storage solutions such as shelves and cabinets keep clutter at bay and maintain a tidy, organized atmosphere conducive to learning. Personalization through artwork, inspirational quotes, or a vision board adds character and motivation to the space. Additionally, technology integration with charging ports and a reliable internet connection ensures seamless research and online resource access. Whether it is minimalist modern design or a cozy vintage inspired retreat, a well thought out study room design becomes an oasis of knowledge and creativity, facilitating academic achievement and personal growth. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.